Where can I find the setting to change the font color of my desktop icons in Windows 7?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to guide you on how to change the font color of your desktop icons in Windows 7. This is a great way to personalize your workspace and make it easier to read your desktop icons.
Understanding the default setting.
By default, Windows 7 does not provide an option to directly change the font color of your desktop icons. It typically sets the font color to black or white depending on the color of your desktop background to ensure contrast. This means we have to look for an alternative solution to change the font color.
Changing the desktop background.
One way to indirectly influence the font color of your desktop icons is by changing your desktop background. Windows 7 automatically adjusts the font color to either black or white depending on the brightness of your wallpaper. So, if your desktop background is light, the font color will be black, and if it's dark, the font color will be white.
Using third-party applications.
If you want to use a specific font color, you'll need to resort to third-party applications. There are many apps available that can give you the ability to customize the font color of your desktop icons. Please be careful when downloading and installing these applications. Make sure to use trusted sources to avoid any potential harm to your computer. One such application is Iconoid. This tool allows you to manipulate desktop icon features in various ways, including the ability to change the font color. Changing the font color of your desktop icons in Windows 7 can be a bit of a workaround as the OS does not provide a direct option for this. But with some changes to your background or using a third-party tool like Iconoid, you can successfully personalize your workspace. Remember, always download third-party software from trusted sources. We hope this guide was helpful and has made your Windows 7 experience a little more colorful.